Okay, so this video is of the ureters, the urinary bladder, and the urethra. So we just finished going through the kidney, and we're going to leave the kidney. The formed urine is going to come through the minor and major calyces to the renal pelvis, and then it's going to exit the kidney by the ureter. So there's one ureter for each kidney. And the two ureters are going to come down, and they're going to enter the urinary bladder kind of near the bottom 1/3 on the back side. You can see where one enters here and one enters here. And actually there's this triangular shape here that's formed by the entrance of the two ureters and then where we're going to funnel the urine down into the urethra. And this is called the trigone. The bladder itself is pretty much a big muscular bag covered with mostly smooth muscle and transitional epithelium inside. So are the ureters are made of transitional epithelium inside. So it allows for it to expand to accept urine. When it's empty, we see these wrinkles inside called the rugae, just like they were called in the stomach. And we see that's mostly muscle here. This smooth muscle is called the detrusor muscle. To leave the bladder, we're going to enter a tube called the urethra. Now, this is a male. I know that because here is the prostate gland and here is the prostatic urethra. For both the male and female, the internal urethral sphincter would be right here at the bottom of the bladder before it goes on. For the female, the external sphincter is closer to the surface of the urethral orifice. And for the male, the external urethral sphincter would be in the membranous urethra right about here, that lining a muscle where the Cowper's glands are. Okay, so those are the ureters, the urinary bladder, and the urethra.